Hey guys, my name is David and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I have been living in Japan for over a year now, and I like to make videos about my life in Japan and just daily kind of things that I do. And so far it's been such a great experience. These last 2 weeks have been cherry blossom season and a lot of tourists come to Japan for this time. Everything and everywhere you go in Japan is usually like pink themed, and Japan really likes to celebrate all of their seasons. There's usually something special happening every single season, and cherry blossom season is quite short. It only lasts about 2 weeks, and it's also the start of rainy season, so the weather is really unpredictable at this time. And it's really too bad for a lot of people that do come to Japan, because when it's rainy, it's kind of still cold. We're just coming out of winter, so the cherry blossoms might take longer to start blooming. So the predictions are sometimes not great when it comes to cherry blossoms, but it's unfortunately now come to an end. In Japan, there's ohanami, which is basically like having a party to celebrate cherry blossoms. Like everyone sits under the trees with their friends. People usually enjoy hanging out under the trees, having some drinks, having some food, and it's such a great time. It's starting to get warmer, and recently I've started to experience a little bit of hay fever in Japan. A lot of people around me is experiencing the same thing, so today I just need to go to the doctor, get some medicine to treat it. I'm also going to one of my favorite Mexican restaurants to get some food. I just need to finish getting ready and then we can head out. I just had lunch and it was so good. I am now on the way to the doctor, but it's about a 20-minute walk, so wish me luck. Hey guys, I just got back home and it's around lunchtime and I am super hungry. I haven't eaten much today and I'm gonna be making some chicken pasta. So I hope that it's good. I haven't had like pasta for a really long time and I'm really looking forward to this. So guys, this looks so good. So I'm really excited to eat. I just made some pasta with chicken and red pepper. And I'm watching a new anime that I really like. It's called Sakamoto Days. So let's eat. Itadakimasu. So now I need to learn some Japanese, and to be honest, this has been quite challenging for me. I think learning Japanese is probably one of the most difficult languages I've heard to learn, especially if you're an English speaker. The writing system is quite different, so I'm going to need to learn how to read and write, and I feel like I've been in Japan for more than a year now, and I've learned a few phrases and I kind of know how to get around in Japan, but I definitely cannot read anything. So I have decided to start taking Japanese learning more seriously, and I want to just start with the basics before I do any formal training, like going to a school or anything to learn Japanese like that. But you know, it's been fun. I think there's a lot of fun things that involve Japanese, like watching anime or you know, having Japanese friends and things like that. So especially while I'm living in Japan, it's quite useful to know Japanese. And yeah, I will keep you guys updated along the way about how it's going along. And yeah, maybe one day we can do a video in Japanese, but I'm a far away from that point, so
ですか？どんな食べ物が好き？ It's been a while. How have you been? 久しぶりですね。